What's up, internet? DapperxDan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. Today I got a little bit of a surprise for you guys. It requires, of course, a 10mm wrench. Right. Today we're going to be installing one of these little turbo whistles onto the bike. I'm really surprised no one else has done this on a motorcycle, because these are like the perfect size to fit in one. I'll give you a little test blow here. You can probably hear it works pretty well. That's just on my mouth. So here we go. We're going to install it on the motorcycle. As you can see, it's definitely going to be a cold start. It's off from this layer of dust. Hasn't been ridden in a little bit, so we're going to put it on and see what it sounds like. Came with one of these little Allen wrenches. I'm not quite sure what that's for. And a little tiny screw. I would imagine the screw goes in there, but I'm not sure what it does, but I don't think it's needed. Alright. Hopefully you guys can see that's at a good angle. You can see this is like almost an exact fit. We just need to loosen this. Loosen this a lot. Get it as far down as we can. And go ahead and tighten it up. Hopefully that stays on. Alright. Get that tightened on there. Alright. I don't think that's going anywhere. I'll just tighten it a little more just in case. Now, I can't believe nobody's done this on a motorcycle before. I know Cletus has done it. Cletus McFarland on his channel, he's done it on his Corvette and his truck, I think. But as far as I know, I'm going to be the first one to do it on a motorcycle. So here we go. It's a cold start, so it's going to be a lot of exhaust coming out. And we'll see if we can hear it. Alright. Turn that on. It's a Suzuki, so we got to pull in the clutch. You can hear it! Just barely. Oh yeah. You can barely hear it. I hope that comes out on video. I can hear it. I think the size that I got was like just over an inch big. Kind of sounds like a Triumph almost. Alright, we gotta take this for a ride now. Alright, you guys, we're gonna take it for a short ride here. I could definitely hear it while we were just staying there. As you can see, it's still installed there. So we'll see if we can hear it while we're riding. Oh gosh, I hope you guys can hear that. I can still hear it. Oh, that sounds hilarious. I hope it doesn't fall out. That would kind of suck. I can barely hear it. The exhaust is definitely overpowering it a little bit. You can hear it faintly in the background. Just like high pitched, and then the exhaust is a completely different note. And under, oh gosh, ugh. Under full throttle, definitely the exhaust drowns it out. At low speeds like this, you can definitely hear it though. At idle, I can't really hear it at idle. That sounds hilarious. To me, it kind of sounds like a Triumph. Alright, we'll do a full throttle pull here. Yeah, this is better. Woo! Yeah, it just gets drowned out by the exhaust. Is it still in? Yeah, it's still in. Well, you guys, if you want to get a turbo exhaust for yourself, a little turbo whistle, you can hear it at low speeds and at idle. It doesn't really sound like a turbo to me. There you go, you can hear it. I mean, yeah, it does. It sounds a little bit like a turbo, but not like you would be expecting. And you can't hear it under full throttle. We'll try and listen here. You can hear it for a second. You can hear it for like a second and a half, and then it just exhaust overpowers it. I got a pretty big one on purpose, just so it would fill most of the exhaust, the pipe. I got a big one just so it would fill most of the pipe for the exhaust. That way, more of the exhaust, that sounds funny, more of the exhaust would be going through the whistle instead of going around it. So I definitely think size matters when you are getting these. Oh, that sounds hilarious though. For me, it's a little bit of a stretch to call this a turbo whistle. It does sound like a turbo under the right circumstances, but I don't know. It sounds like more like a Triumph to me. They got that little Triumph whistle. I chose to go around this neighborhood here because there'd be less noise from other cars and we'd hopefully be able to hear it better. I can hear it fine. Hopefully it comes through on the video. Kind of sounds like a turbo diesel down low. That is hilarious. There we go. Ow, ow. Oh, that's hot. Oh gosh, that's hot. Just for fun, I want to see what it sounds like with a dirt bike motor. As you can see, it is a little bit too big to fit in there, but hopefully it won't get blown out. We'll try and just like get it at the right angle so it won't come out. Alright, here we go. Really?
Eventually.
Alright, finally got the dirt bike started and it blew it right out. We're gonna try holding it in there. Alright. That sounds hilarious. Alright you guys, I just wanted to hear what it sounded like. That's pretty hilarious. the whistle itself became unscrewed a little bit. Anyway guys, that's it. But anyway guys, that's all I got for right now. Thanks for joining me on this little experiment here. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And hit it for turbo whistles anyway. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. And leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Later.